Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting right now. Put the Bose Mini on and ensure it has charge. The speaker won't pair if battery is critically low. On your laptop, open Bluetooth and devices in settings so the UI is ready. This saves time when the speaker appears. Press and hold the Bose Bluetooth button until the LED blinks rapidly blue. This forces pairing mode. Once done, keep the speaker close to the laptop and avoid other active Bluetooth devices that might interfere with discovery. Now complete the pairing. Click Add Device or Pair New Device in the laptop's Bluetooth pane so it scans immediately. When you see Soundlink Mini in the list, select it and choose Pair or Connect. This creates the audio link. If the laptop asks for a PIN, enter 0000 or accept the prompt. Most modern systems bypass the PIN automatically. Make sure the OS lists the speaker as connected, and as the default playback device. Finish by confirming audio. Open sound settings and set the Bose as the default playback device so apps output there. If you get no sound, disconnect and reconnect the device or toggle Bluetooth off and on. Sometimes a quick restart of the laptop clears driver hangups. If pairing repeatedly fails, reset the speaker by holding power and Bluetooth together for about 10 seconds, then re-enter pairing mode. One key tip: move away from Wi-Fi routers and other Bluetooth devices when troubleshooting to avoid interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.